Hi guys! May bagong lesson na naman tayo. That is grade 9 math, quarter 1, module 1. Solving quadratic equation by completing the square. Ang lesson na ito is a continuation from our previous lesson about grade 9 math. So, ang first lesson natin is define natin kung ano yung quadratic equation. Pagkatapos, na-identify natin kung ano ang value ni A, ni B, at ni C. Ang next lesson naman natin is nag-solve tayo ng quadratic equation by factoring and by extracting square root. So ngayon, ang gagawin natin is kung paano naman tayo mag-solve ng quadratic equation by completing the square. Ito yung pangatlong method kung paano tayo mag-solve ng quadratic equation. Okay, gaya nga ng sabi ko na ang first is by factoring, ang pangalawa is by extracting square root. So ngayon is by completing the square. Meron tayong mga quadratic equations na hindi natin kayang isolve gamit ang factoring or gamit ang completing the square. So, ang gagamitin natin, ang extracting square root. So, ang gagamitin natin is completing the square. Ang lesson na ito is i-explain natin step by step para maintindihan nyo talaga kung paano gawin ang completing the square. Okay, meron tayong example dito. 2x squared plus 8x minus 24 is equal to 0. Alam na natin na ang standard form ng quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So, i-identify natin kung saan ang a natin dito sa ating quadratic equation. Ang a natin is 2, ang b natin is 8, at ang c natin is negative 24. Now, punta tayo sa ating step 1. Divide both sides of the equation by a, then simplify. Okay, so kailangan nating i-identify kung saan ang a, b, at c natin para alam natin kung ano yung i-divide natin sa ating equation. So, i-identify natin si a, si b, at si c. Ang value ng ating a is 2, si b natin is 8, at si c is negative 24. Now, kapag na-identify na natin, i-divide natin both sides of the equation. Pagkatapos, i-simplify natin. Okay, so lahat ng term natin dito is i-divide natin by 2. Kasi 2 ang value ng ating a. So, 2x squared divided by 2, kasi ang value ng a natin is 2, plus 8x divided by 2 minus 24 divided by 2 is equal to 0 divided by 2. Kasi both sides yung i-divide natin sa value ni A. Now, i-simplify na natin. So, 2x squared divided by 2 is equal to 1x squared or x squared. So, si x squared na lang yung naiwan. Plus, 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4x. Minus, 24 divided by 2 is 12. Is equal to 0 divided by 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so ito na yung equation natin. X squared plus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, tapos na tayo sa step 1. Sa step 2 naman tayo. Again, ang ginawa natin sa step 1 is dinivide natin both sides sa value ni A. So, titingnan lang natin kung ano yung value ni A. Pagkatapos, i-divide natin both sides at i-simplify. Now, sa step 2 natin, add 12 both sides, then simplify. Bakit mag-add tayo ng 12? Or simply, ang ibig sabihin nun is ang constant natin, ilipat natin siya sa kabila. Okay, so ang tawag natin doon is APE or addition property of equality. Para malipat natin siya dito, para malipat natin si negative 12 sa kabila, mag-add tayo ng 12. So, x plus 4x, sa both sides tayo mag-add ng 12 ha. Minus 12 plus 12 is equal to 0 plus 12. Okay, so x plus 4x minus and negative and positive subtract. So 12 minus 12 equals 0. 0 plus 12 equals 12. Okay, so ito na yung bagong equation natin. X plus 4x is equal to 12. Gaya nga ng sabi ko na itong ating constant, simply ilipat lang natin siya sa kabilang side. At kapag nilipat natin siya sa kabilang side, dahil negative siya, magbabago ang kanyang sign. Kaya naging positive 12. Okay, so para hindi kayong malito, pwede na kayong dumiretso sa ganito. Ilipat niyo siya sa kabilang side. Pero of course, ito yung tamang explanation. This is addition property of equality. Ito na yung bagong equation natin. X plus 4x is equal to 12. Punta na tayo sa step 3. So, ang step 3 natin, add both sides of the equation, the square of 1/2 b or b divided by 2 squared. So, ang gagawin natin, kukunin natin ang value ni b, i-divide natin sa 2, tapos i-square natin siya. So, ang value ng b natin dito is 4. So, kukunin natin si 4, divided by 2, and then squared. So, 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2 squared. So, 2 squared, ibig sabihin 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Okay, so meron na tayong value na 4. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin is i-add natin si 4 sa both sides ng ating equation. So, ang equation natin is x plus 4x, x plus 4x, i-add natin si 4 sa both sides, plus 4 is equal to 12 plus 4. Then, isimplify natin. So, x plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. Ang step 4 natin, express x squared plus 4x plus 4 as a square of binomial. Okay, so i-express daw natin itong ating equation as a square of binomial. Paano yun siya gagawin? Okay, so kukunin natin ang square root ng ating a at ng ating c. Okay? So, kukunin natin ang square root ng ating a at ng ating c. So, ang a natin tapos i-square natin siya. So, isulat natin dito. Tapos, square dito. And titingnan natin ang ating middle na sign. So, ang middle na sign natin is positive. So, positive ang ilagay natin dito. Okay? So, ngayon is kukunin na natin ang factor ni x squared. So, ang factor ni x squared is, ang square root ni x squared is x. So, ilagay natin si x dito. And then, ang square root of 4 is 2. Okay? So, ito na yung square of binomial natin. X plus 2 squared is equal to 16. Now, na-square na natin ang ating x squared plus 4x plus 4, na-express na natin siya into square of binomial. So, ang next step naman nito is i-extract natin siya or i-extract natin ang kanyang square root para mahanap natin ang value ni x. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin is i-extract lang natin ang kanyang square root. X plus 2 squared is equal to 16. Okay? So, maglagay tayo ng radical sign both sides. So, itong radical sign at square natin, cancel. Ang maiiwan is si x plus 2 na lang. Equals, square root of 16 is positive and negative 4. Okay, so ang square root ng ating 16 is positive and negative 4. Now, sa step 6 na tayo. Sundan nyo lang ang ating mga examples sa pamamagitan ng mga steps na ito. Mamaya, bibigyan ko kayo ng examples na diretso na yung solving natin para makita nyo lang kung ano yung step-by-step process sa pag-solve ng quadratic equation by completing the square. Okay, so ang step 6 is solve the resulting linear equation. So, ang ating resulting linear equation kanina is x plus 2 is equal to positive and negative 4. So, ngayon is isolve natin siya. So, ang first natin is x plus 2. Kukunin natin si positive 4. And then, ang pangalawa is x plus 2 si negative 4. Okay, so isolve na natin siya. So, x is equal to, ilipat lang natin itong constant natin sa kabila. So, 4 minus 2. X is equal to 2. So, ang first value ng ating x is equal to 2. Dito naman tayo sa x plus 2 minus 4. So, x is equal to, ilipat natin si 2 sa kabila. So, minus 4, dahil positive 2 siya, magiging negative 2. So, x is equal to negative 6. Okay, so ito yung pangalawang value ng ating x. Meron na tayong dalawang value ng ating x, that is x is equal to positive 2 and x is equal to negative 6. So ngayon, ang step 7 natin is check using the original equation. So i-check natin gamit ang ating original equation na 2x squared plus 8x minus 24 is equal to 0. So i-check natin siya. Kung si x, ang value niya is 2, so 2 multiplied by the value of x na 2 squared plus 8 multiplied by the value of x na 2 minus 24 is equal to 0. So 2 squared is 2 times 2 equals 4 plus 8 times 2 equals 16 minus 24 equals 0. So 2 times 4 equals 16 plus, 2 times 2 equals 8 plus 16 minus 24 equals 0. So 8 plus 16 is equal to 24 minus 24 is equal to 0. 24 minus 24 is 0 is equal to 0. Okay, so equal both sides. So ibig sabihin, tama ang value ng ating x na 2. Dito naman tayo kung ang value ni x is negative 6. So 2 multiplied by the value of x na negative 6 squared plus 8 times the value of x na negative 6 minus 24 is equal to 0. So 2, negative 6 times negative 6 or negative squared means negative 6 times negative 6. So that is positive 36. Positive and negative is negative. 8 times 6 is 48. Minus 24 is equal to 0. 2 times 36 is equal to 72. Negative and negative add, then copy the negative sign. 48 plus 24 is equal to 72. 0. So 72 minus 72 is equal to 0 and 0. Okay, so equal sila both sides. Both values of x satisfies the given 2x squared plus 8x minus 24 is equal to 0. So this is true when the value of x is 2 or when the value of x is negative 6. Thus, the equation 2x squared plus 8x minus 24 is equal to 0 has two solutions, and that is x is equal to 2 or x is equal to negative 6. Another example tayo para mas maintindihan pa natin kung paano mag-solve ng quadratic equation by completing the square. X squared plus 6x minus 40 is equal to 0. Okay, so ano yung step 1 natin? Ang step 1 natin is i-divide natin both sides ng equation by the value of a. So saan yung a natin? Nandito. Ang a natin is 1. So kapag 1 ang a natin, mag-skip na tayo sa ating step 1. Punta na tayo sa ating step 2. Kasi kapag i-divide natin siya sa 1 lahat, same lang pa rin yung makukuha nating equation. X squared pa rin plus 6x minus 40 is equal to 0. So proceed tayo sa step 2. Now, ang step 2 natin is i-add natin both sides ang 40 or ang value ng ating c. So, ang gagawin natin is x squared plus 6x minus 40 plus 40 is equal to 0 plus 40. Then, isimplify natin. So, x squared plus 16 plus 6x, negative and positive, so magiging 0 sila, is equal to 40. Okay, so ito na yung bagong equation natin. X squared plus 6x is equal to 40. Now, ang next step natin is ang value ng ating b, i-divide natin siya sa 2, tapos i-square natin siya. So, ang value ni b is 6, so that is 6 divided by 2 squared is equal to 6 divided by 2 is 3 squared. And 3 squared or 3 times 3 is equal to 9. And then, ang next step, si 9 is i-add natin both sides of the equation. So, x squared plus 6x plus 9, i-add natin si 9 sa both sides of the equation is equal to 40 plus 9. Then simplify. So x squared plus 6x plus 9 is equal to 49. Ang next step natin, ang ating equation is i-express natin siya as a square of binomial. So, kukunin natin ang square root ng ating A at ng ating C. Okay? And titingnan natin ang sign ng nasa gitna. So, positive ang ilagay natin dito. Ayan, 49. So, ang square root ni x squared is x. Ang square root ni 9 is 3. Okay? So, ito na yung square of a binomial natin. X plus 3 squared is equal to 49. So, ngayon, isolve na natin siya by extracting square root. So, x plus 3 squared is equal to 49. Okay? Maglagay tayo ng radical sign both sides. So, cancel. So, x plus 3, si x plus 3 na lang yung naiwan, is equal to, ano yung square root ni 49? 7. Kasi 7 times 7 is 49. So, that is positive and negative 7. Ngayon is next step na tayo. So, isolve natin ang resulting linear equation. So, ang resulting linear equation natin is x plus 3 is equal to positive 7. And x plus 3 is equal to negative 7. So, isolve natin siya. So, x is equal to 7. Ilipat natin ang constant or si 3 sa kabila. Dahil positive siya, magiging negative siya. So, negative 3. X is equal to 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay? So, meron na tayong value ng x na 4. Sa kabila naman, x is equal to negative 7. Si 3 ilipat sa kabila. Dahil positive, magiging negative. So, minus 3. X is equal to negative and negative, add, and then kopyahin si negative. 7 plus 3 is 10. Okay, so ang isang value naman ni x is negative 10. Ang last step natin is i-check natin kung tama ba ang ating value. So, ang gagamitin natin is ang ating original equation, which is x squared plus 6x minus 40 is equal to 0. Okay, so kung ang value ni x is 4, so x squared, that is 4 squared plus 6 times the value of x na 4 minus 40 is equal to 0. Okay? So, 4 squared or 4 times 4 is equal to 16 plus 6 times 4 is equal to 24 minus 40 is equal to 0. 16 plus 24 is equal to 40 minus 40 is equal to 0. 40 minus 40 is 0. Okay? So, equal both sides. Same 0. Dito naman sa kabila. Kung ang value naman ni x is negative 10. So, x squared. So, that is negative 10 squared plus 6 times the value of x na negative 10 minus 40 is equal to 0. Negative 10 squared is negative 10 times negative 10 is equal to positive 100. Positive and negative, negative. 6 times 10 is 60. Minus 40 is equal to 0. So, 100. Negative and negative, add. Kopyahin ang sign na negative. 60 plus 40 is 100. Equals 0. 100 minus 100 is 0. Equals 0. Okay, so equal. Ganyan lang kadali mag-solve, guys, ng quadratic equation by completing the square. Basta tatandaan nyo lang ang ating mga steps kung paano siya gagawin. Okay, so ganito lang siya kadali. I-follow nyo lang yung mga steps natin. That's all for today's video, guys. Sana may natutunan kayo sa ating lesson for today. See you in our next lesson. Bye!